Hello everyone, my name is Tim Grant. A while ago I really got into lucid dreaming. I was trying a whole bunch of different methods on how I can become lucid in my dreaming. So I tried a bunch of different methods and they worked. Finally, after about a month, I became lucid. Now, I got my first experience, second, third, and I started to get more and more. But unfortunately, my life got super busy, and then I had to stop actively trying to induce lucid dreams. But something really interesting happened when I did that. So, although I didn't have lucid dreams as frequent, I actually did have lucid dreams. I would be in a dream and I would realize that I'm dreaming. And oh, wow. I wasn't doing any of the methods. So, in previously, I tried to get myself into a habit of doing the reality checks, and before every night, I would meditate, and I would do like focus on my senses and everything like that. And I didn't do that anymore, but I would still have realizations that I'm lucid. Also, my dream recall was still better, and I was thinking about this, like, why am I still having lucid dreams? Obviously at a much lower frequency, but I was still having lucid dreams. And I think that the reason why is because I got comfortable in knowing what the dream state feels like. So every time I would have a dream and then I would write it down in my dream journal, or when I would have a lucid dream and I would be able to really feel what a dream is actually like, it tuned my brain so that I am able to realize when I am dreaming. So this got me thinking, like, I it's there's a really good lesson that you can take away from that, and so that's why I'm making this video, as a way to share that with you, which is what this channel is originally about, is us learning together. So what I realized is, when you're doing the dream journal, don't just focus on this event happened, then this event happened, then this event happened, then this event happened. Try to really put yourself in the experience again. Try to, right when you wake up, when you're writing it down, don't just put the events. Also put how you were feeling. Were you frightened? What was going through your head? What were you thinking? What was all of the senses like? But mostly, what was the, just try to get the entire experience. And so that's what that's going to do, is train your brain to be more not comfortable, but able to realize the difference between the dreaming state and the awakened state. So that way, when you're dreaming, you're going to be like, something, I think I'm dreaming. And then you're going to be able to do your reality checks. Once you realize that you're dreaming, you're pretty much halfway lucid. Do your reality checks, figure out that you're more like 3/4 of the way lucid. Just do your reality checks, and then, oh, I am dreaming, and then you can do whatever you want. Or actually, you can't do whatever you want. It does take practice. I'm at the point right now where I've done the flying, I can control my body, I can do some stuff like that, but I can't. For some reason, I've been trying to do firebending, but that doesn't work. So I still need to do a lot of practice on stuff like that. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that this tip can help you. I'm going to keep doing my lucid dreaming, and if I come across any other interesting ideas in regards to how you might be able to become more comfortable with lucid dreaming, and any other tips, like methods that you can try, or any interesting ideas to do while lucid dreaming, I'm going to be sure to upload it and put it onto this channel. So if you guys are interested in that, please subscribe to this channel. That would be awesome. Also, leave your comments on any tips you think that are beneficial in regards to lucid dreaming. I would love to read those comments. You can also find me on Facebook and a whole bunch of other social media. My name is Tim Grant, and I will see you in a bit. I'm gonna keep doing lucid. I said that my my life got super busy, but I'm gonna try to continue to do my dream journal and just more meditation, because I know meditation can have a whole bunch of other cognitive benefits. So I'm trying to. I should have at least 15 minutes to spare. So I'll be doing that as well. So I'm going to keep doing lucid dreaming, bring you guys any tips that I am able to acquire, and share any knowledge that I gain in this journey into lucid dreaming. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys later.